to get our accents picked on more. Maybe me more than you.
We're about 45 minutes away from Mans. 81 degrees out. We're going to be baking for the next 3 days. But everybody likes bacon.
I like bacon. I smell like bacon when I sweat. You gotta do it.
I can't. It's hard driving in the chute.
We're gonna die.
I know. Oh no. Just keep recording video, okay? It's okay. We're all gonna die.
Inappropriate. So we're almost there.
It's 93 degrees. When we were stuck in traffic on an 8-lane highway, it was up to 100. Now it's cool, so I'm glad we packed our coats. Hinsdale, nice ride, yay!
Hey.
The furthest fair we're going to this summer.
I'm good. I like the farm.
Pamphlets. All the tents are sleeping. Except for the train!
There's our tent. Right here. All sealed up.
Shh, our tent's sleeping. We just put it to bed.
Here, let's go look at it. Make sure it's still sleeping. I know it's sleeping. Make sure it didn't wet the bed. Have a nightmare. So this is the Friday before.
We seem to be the only one that has a banner in front, so everybody knows it's ours.
Well, there's some people that have banners inside.
Yeah, but this way people know which one to vandalize.
No, great. Yes. But we're working, so we can't drink.
No.
God. Irish pub. Oh, sacrilege. You have a ginger in the car. So what'd you get?
I got me a small food. I don't know what you're gonna eat, fatty.
Cheers.
You gotta eat it. It's gonna melt. Yeah. It's 91 degrees outside.
Do the look on your face when the guy said how many scoops you could fit in a large. 7.
7. Stop filling up my phone. We're at the Airbnb.
We met the owner.
And he's super nice. His name's Brad.
Look at all the light switches.
Oh, that's above the top.
This is nice. This is
The
nice.
mirrors make me look fat. No, it's really fat. It's not every day you get the Airbnb, but the guy's water heater explodes.
And then you went down and checked it out because you're the plumber.
Yeah, it's not his fault, but what are the chances?
I think the funniest thing is you were checking the kitchen sink and you just had you had a towel
I just
on.
had a towel on, checking the kitchen sink, the sun comes in. Hi. Oh, the first time we came into Hinsdale, first thing we're greeted with is a Jaguar dealership. Then the next one is a Porsche dealership.
No, it was Ferrari.
Ferrari.
Because I said f***ing Ferrari. Look, Beau. It's Nakatomi Plaza. Where's Bruce Willis? Oh.
Come out to the coast. We'll get together. Have a few laughs.
Just look at that. Oh, they're all fancy on this side. Oh, they're all fancy on both sides. Oh, and there's the art fair. There's all the tents. Right next to the humongous houses.
Wow. I like your pictures. That one looks like me. Except I bet this guy's mouth pretty dirty. You're not supposed to laugh as a cameraman. Dish your coffee. Yeah, there's a cigarette. 90 degrees out, let's eat muffins and coffee. Dehydration.
It's like a Miyazaki movie.
We saw 2 Teslas. They didn't have a stick shift or anything, it's just a computer screen.
And I think there was no tailpipe.
No.
There, take video of Ron and Dottie.
I know that if we had the awning in front, we can't have our sign in front because you can't see it with the awning.
We're learning.
4 college degrees, didn't figure that out.
Nope.
And the day one in Hinsdale. Disappointing.
I think part of it is we were only allowed one.
Yes, I wasn't allowed to show my stuff, which is stupid because I'm already there.
Right. We've both come to the conclusion that if we do any more art fairs after the ones we've got booked this summer, we're both there or we don't do it.
Agreed.
Because I think part of the disappointment, because yes, I feel like a big disappointment because I didn't sell anything and I didn't even get a commission, but I did get a lot of people taking cards. But you might have a commission with woodworking, even with the little bit we snuck in for staging.
Overall, in Hinsdale, I'm disappointed because the last hour and a half it just died for no reason either. I mean, the weather was, upper 80s, low 90s, nice breeze everywhere, but the people just weren't there at the end. The highlight of it is Ron and Dottie showed up. So, Ron and Dottie, if you're watching this, at Hinsdale in our artist packet, it clearly states that if a customer brings a doggy in your booth and the doggy is there for more than 2 minutes, it is now the artist's dog.
I want Oscar the doggy.
I forgot to tell you that legally the doggy should be ours. But never mind, you took us out for dinner. It's fine.
Oh my god.
It's fine.
Oh my god.
And thank you for dinner.
Yes.
That's very nice.
Yes, thank you.
We knew you were gonna pay too. So we have a long-term plan to exact revenge on your generosity. Just met a beautiful couple. And we're talking with them. We're like, and then all of a sudden, are you from Canada? No, we're just ugly.
So this is the end of day 2 at Hinsdale. Very fancy Hinsdale.
Very fancy. Very rich. Very
You can't say that.
you think of Thurston Howell III on Gilligan's Island?
Now, there's only one use for money, and that's to make more money.
End of day 2.
End of day 2, we made zero anything.
Both days.
Both days, but it was just for painting. My woodworking wasn't allowed there, so we're only showing one medium. But on the bright side, Kara has potential 3 customers she's going to contact for commissions, and that's not counting the other people that just took a card interested in stuff. And I have a person to contact for a possible woodworking commission. So even though we're in the hole, if those come through, we're not in the hole.
So it's a gamble right now.
It's a gamble chocolate, yeah.
Yeah. Is this hard?
It's very hard.
Is it scary?
It's scary, yes.
You gonna keep going?
Yes.
Why?
That's our job.
Oh.
We're not doing the easy thing anymore. We're doing the hard thing. Teaching was the easy thing. We were comfortable. It was familiar. We could do it with our eyes closed. There was no challenge. It was slowly sucking away our soul.
There was some challenge, but the way things are handled, sometimes it's soul sucking.